Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and now I'm gonna show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Niagara launcher, so just find it. And install. Let's open this application. Click agree and continue. Choose your favorite apps, click OK, and great. So here we have really beautiful launcher with a really beautiful interface. Here we have alphabetical line to easily find any applications we need. For example, if you want to find the Play Store, just drag your finger to P button, and here you have all apps that starting with P later. For example, here I have Play Store, and this way I can easily open the Play Store. Okay, on the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6. So just find it. Smart Launcher 6, find it and install. Click open, get started. I agree, confirm, continue. While using the app, hello, confirm. I have an error, so just click exit. And great. So here we have really beautiful interface with really great fonts and wallpapers. Here we have news and main menu with great apps grouping features. So you need to try to test it to like it. And here we have a homepage. Here we have really great wallpaper gallery with really great wallpapers, not themes, but just wallpapers. So here we have infinitely wallpapers for free. Of course, you need to pay for get access to parallax wallpapers, but for normal wallpapers you don't need to pay, and it's really great. Cool. But on the first place in my top is Microsoft Launcher, so just try to find it. Open Play Store and find here Microsoft Launcher. Find it, install and open. Then we need to set it up, so click get started while in the app, hello, then continue. Here you need to connect your Microsoft Launcher to your Microsoft account, and in this way you will be able to use your Android device in pair with your Windows device. If you have, for example, laptop with a Windows operation system, or you have, for example, Surface, I don't know. So if you have Microsoft devices, you can connect it and create a pair of devices using just normal Microsoft Launcher. So okay, I will skip it because I have no Windows device. I have on the Mac, so I can't create a pair. But if you have, I suggest you to try it. Great. So here you need to choose your favorite apps, then click continue, let go. You can set it as default right now. And it's great. So here we have glance panel. I like glance panel because here we can set up all our favorite and most used widgets. And in this way you will don't need to swipe between thousands of home screens to find desired widget. So you just need to swipe left and find it here. Here we have main menu with alphabetical line. It's really great. Here we have voice search, and we have the hide apps feature. Using this feature you can hide unused but common applications you need on your device. For example, which of your applications you need but you never open it. For example, the Zen mode, because we are opening Zen from here. We don't need Zen mode, we can hide it. We can hide internal browser, so pre-installed browser. I don't know why we need it if you have the Chrome browser. Com, I don't know what is it, but maybe OnePlus community, hide it. Gboard, we don't need it here. So okay, I think you have understand what I told you about. So in this way you can hide all unusing apps, and here in the settings we have really great gestures feature. In this way you can set up, for example, using 2 fingers swipe up, opening Chrome, for example. Of course you can set it up in the way you want, but now as you can see, by swipe up using 2 fingers I can open the Chrome. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's true, so just give me a like and leave a comment under this video. Subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.